Easy one-page PDF that earns $600 a day with affiliate marketing? Hold on to your seats because what we're about to share could potentially transform your financial future. We're delving deep into a unique strategy in the world of affiliate marketing that can potentially earn you a whopping $600 per day, and all it takes is a simple one-page PDF. Yes, you heard that right, a one-page PDF. Now, we know this sounds too good to be true, but stick around as we unravel the secrets of this highly effective technique. It's innovative, it's manageable, and it might just be the game changer you've been waiting for in your affiliate marketing journey. So are you ready to explore this remarkable strategy? Let's get started. Affiliate marketing has emerged as one of the most lucrative online business models. Simply put, it is a method where you promote someone else's products or services and earn a commission on every sale made through your referral. It is performance-based marketing, and the better your promotional strategies, the higher your income potential. Affiliate marketing, while lucrative, can be competitive. It's essential to stand out by delivering value to your audience and building trust. This ensures that your audience will come back to you for recommendations time and time again. Hence, it's not just about picking any product and promoting it blindly. You need to understand your audience, their needs and desires, and then present them with products or services that cater to these needs. A one-page PDF, as we're going to discuss, is an innovative way to offer value while promoting affiliate products effectively. You might be wondering how a single-page PDF can help generate such a high income. The answer lies in its simplicity and accessibility. A well-structured, value-packed one-page PDF is easy to distribute, gets straight to the point, and can effectively lead the reader towards the desired action, i.e., clicking on your affiliate link. This PDF acts as your mini sales page. It is packed with engaging, useful content related to your chosen affiliate product and subtly includes your unique affiliate links. When a reader clicks on these links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of a one-page PDF lies in its potential to deliver information succinctly while keeping the reader engaged. Your PDF should be visually appealing and easy to read, but most importantly, packed with helpful insights related to the product or service you're promoting. The aim here is not to hard sell, but to educate and provide value. This way, the readers would be more inclined to explore the affiliate product you recommend. The PDF effectively becomes a silent salesman, working round the clock to bring you affiliate income. The first step in this process is selecting the right affiliate product. There are many affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Commission Junction, and more, where you can find products across various niches. Ensure the product you choose aligns with your audience's interests. It should be of high quality, have good reviews, and offer decent commission rates. The reputation of the product is also essential, as this will influence the click-through and conversion rates. When selecting an affiliate product, consider not only the commission, but also the potential popularity and longevity of the product. A product with a short lifespan, or one that is only trending momentarily, might not be the best choice. Instead, opt for products that have proven to be evergreen, or those that address ongoing issues that users are seeking solutions for. In addition, ensure that the product's merchant has a reliable affiliate tracking system to avoid losing out on any hard-earned commissions. Once you have the product, it's time to create your one-page PDF. Remember, this PDF is not just about promoting your product. It should provide genuine value to the reader. Here are a few tips. 1. Catchy title. Use a compelling title to attract readers. It should communicate the benefit they will get from reading the PDF. 2. Content. Start with a brief introduction about the topic, then share informative, high-quality content. Use bullet points, charts, or diagrams to make it easily digestible. If you're promoting a weight loss product, your content could be top 10 proven weight loss techniques. 3. Product introduction. After providing value, smoothly transition into introducing the affiliate product. Explain how it addresses the topic discussed or solves a problem the reader might have. 4. CTA and affiliate links. End with a strong call to action or CTA, encouraging readers to learn more about the product or purchase it through your affiliate links. 5. Design. Lastly, don't forget about the design. The PDF should look professional and clean. Use tools like Canva for easy yet high-quality designs. Ensure the content within your PDF is actionable. The information provided should guide the reader towards a clear end goal, which in this case is to encourage them to check out your affiliate product. Moreover, maintaining a natural flow throughout the PDF is critical. Each section should seamlessly lead into the next. The placement of affiliate links should be intuitive, coming up at points where the reader would naturally be curious to learn more about the product. Your PDF is ready, and now it's time to distribute it. The objective is to get it in front of as many relevant people as possible. Here are a few methods. 1. Email marketing. If you have an email list, send your PDF as a valuable resource. It's a non-intrusive way to promote your product. 2. Social media. Share your PDF on platforms where your target audience hangs out. Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Reddit are excellent places to start. 3. Website or blog. You can offer this PDF as a free download on your website or blog. Visitors interested in the content will likely download and read it. 4. Collaborations. Collaborate with other marketers or bloggers. They can distribute your PDF to their audience, increasing your reach. As you distribute your PDF, remember to respect each platform's rules and the audience's expectations. On social media platforms, don't spam groups or threads with your PDF. Instead, share it in relevant discussions or in response to queries. For email marketing, be sure to provide an option for recipients to opt out if they choose to. Maintaining a respectful, customer-centric approach is key to building trust and enhancing the overall effectiveness of your PDF distribution strategy. Initially, you may not make $600 per day, but with consistency, testing, and tweaking, you can gradually increase your income. Keep track of what works and what doesn't. A/B test different titles, content styles, and CTAs. Use analytic tools to monitor click-through and conversion rates. Once you've found a winning strategy, scale it up. The more you distribute your PDF, the more potential income you can make. The process of scaling up and maximizing profits in affiliate marketing involves continuously experimenting with different strategies and refining your approach based on what brings results. Alongside this, cultivating a deep understanding of your audience can help optimize your strategy further. As you learn more about your audience's likes, dislikes, and preferences, you can tailor your one-page PDFs to be more personalized, engaging, and effective, thereby boosting your affiliate income potential even further. Now that you've learned about creating and distributing a one-page PDF to generate affiliate income, let's discuss how to make this process even more efficient. The secret lies in leveraging automation tools. Automation tools can handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on other critical aspects of your affiliate marketing business, such as researching new products or strategies. Email automation. If you're using email marketing to distribute your PDF, automation tools can be a game changer. Services like MailChimp or ConvertKit allow you to send automated emails to new subscribers, schedule emails for optimal times, and even segment your audience for more personalized communication. Social media automation. Platforms such as Hootsuite or Buffer can help you schedule your social media posts across various platforms in advance. This ensures consistent posting even when you're busy with other tasks. You can also analyze the performance of your posts to understand what works best for your audience. Content creation tools. While creating your one-page PDF, tools like Grammarly can assist in checking your content for any grammatical errors or readability issues. For the design aspect, Canva, as we mentioned earlier, offers various templates that can help you design professional-looking PDFs with ease. Link tracking tools. Tools like Bitly or Google Analytics can help you track your affiliate links. They provide insights into how many clicks your links receive, the demographic details of the clickers, and even the time when your links are most clicked. This data can help you understand your audience better and fine-tune your strategy. PDF automation tools. Lastly, you can automate the process of creating your PDFs. Platforms like Adobe Acrobat allow you to create fillable forms, add interactive elements, and even integrate it with other services like Google Sheets or MailChimp for more dynamic and automated PDF creation. By incorporating these automation tools, you can save time, increase efficiency, and make your affiliate marketing process smoother. The more streamlined your process, the more PDFs you can create and distribute, which potentially means a higher affiliate income. And that's how automation can take your one-page PDF affiliate marketing strategy to the next level. Always remember, the key to affiliate marketing is not only about having a great strategy, but also about effectively executing it. With the right tools, strategies, and consistent effort, the goal of earning $600 per day could indeed be within your reach. And that wraps up our guide on how to generate income through affiliate marketing with a one-page PDF. We hope you found it insightful and are eager to implement this strategy. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in your affiliate marketing journey.